The convention was created to regulate international trade in wildlife. Today, the convention regulates international trade in 35,000 species of plants and animals, and it does so to ensure that the international trade does not threaten their survival. CITES really has three components. It deals with conservation, it deals with sustainable use, and also deals with trade. And in fact, the convention uses trade measures to achieve its objectives. With the UNESCO World Heritage Convention, we're working very closely with them on World Heritage sites on the African continent that have suffered significantly from poaching and illegal trade, to the point where the outstanding universal value of those sites is being diminished as a result of the poaching and smuggling crisis. So partnerships are key to success under CITES. There are many and varied partnerships in place. We have 181 parties to the convention, and they oversee the work of the convention and its secretariat. Sort of partnerships we have in place: the International Consortium on Combating Wildlife Crime. This was launched in late 2010. It's a consortium between the CITES Secretariat, Interpol, World Customs Organization, UN Office of Drugs and Crime, and the World Bank. And we came together to provide coordinated support at a national and a regional level to governments in combating the illegal trade in wildlife. So CITES works with other MEAs, so we are part of the Biodiversity Liaison Group, so we work very actively there. We have very close working relationship with the Convention on Biological Diversity. We've acknowledged that we have a contribution to make to the Strategic Plan on Biodiversity and the AHE targets. We have a specific joint work program with the Convention on Migratory Species, so certain species that are migratory but also in international trade. We're working directly with our CMS colleagues on that. If not for CITES, trade in wildlife would be unregulated globally. So looking to the future, we do see CITES being more often used in terms of timber species, marine species, a deeper engagement in combating illegal wildlife trade, and a deepening of partnerships right across the system, be it within the UN or outside of the UN system.